Welcome to the Custom Certification Process demo. In this demo, we will learn how to create a custom certification process from a template, launch the certifications to assignees, fill out a certification, and view the results. Custom manual certification templates provide a consistent, auditable way to collect management and executive attestations. Standardized fields ensure clarity and accountability, while still allowing flexibility for different use cases. Click the drop-down arrow to expand the certifications module list. Select Certifications. The Certification Processes page lists all certifications created from templates. To create a certification process, a group is required. Since we already have a group named 2025, let's click Create Certification Process. Let's start by typing a descriptive title for our certification process. Click the drop-down to select what template this certification process will be created from. For this example, we will choose the Management Representation Certification template we made in a previous video. Select the 2025 group to categorize this process. Now that all our required fields are complete, click Save to create the new certification process from the template. Our newly created certification process is now shown in the list. Click the three dots to access additional options. The available options are to edit, duplicate, delete, or launch certifications. Click Duplicate to proceed. The option to duplicate certifications is only for manual custom certifications, not controls. As stated on the pop-up, it will duplicate certification settings and assignees, but not form responses. Let's enter a name for our duplicate. Click the drop-down to assign this process to the 2025 group we made earlier. Click Save to create our first certification duplicate. Here we can see a new row for our duplicate certification, MRC2. Let's delete the duplicate and continue through our tutorial. Confirm deletion by clicking Delete. Let's click into our certification process to see more. In a certification process, we have two views to choose from. The default, Certifications, shows a list of assignees the certification will be sent to. Since this is a custom certification process, we will add the assignees we want manually. Let's start adding assignees. Click Add Certification. Click the drop-down icon to select an assignee. For this example, select Christopher Averitt. Click Create to finalize the new certification assignment. As you can see, Christopher was successfully added as an assignee to the certification process. Each assignee row includes a set of action icons that allow you to send a reminder email once sent, open the assignee's certification form, or remove the assignee from the process. We've added a few more assignees for this demo to show the module's full functionality. Let's navigate to the Question Responses tab next. This view shows a table of responses by assignee. Since the certification has not been launched, no responses exist to display. After initiation, you'll be able to review responses and see any exceptions directly from here. We also have a list of action buttons at the top left: Close, Add Certification, Launch Certification Process, Notifications, and Settings. Let's walk through these and click the Settings icon first. This shows the values we entered when we created the certification form. Let's change the approver by clicking the drop-down. Select Alex Morgan. Click Save to finalize our edits. Next, click Notifications. Clicking Notifications opens an informational pop-up showing when certification process notifications are systematically sent. Click Close. The Close button allows you to permanently lock and close out the certification process, an action that cannot be undone. We are ready to initiate the certifications. Click the Launch icon. The Launch Certification Process button will open this confirmation screen to send the certifications to all assignees. Click Save to initiate the certification process. As you can see, all certification statuses have changed to Sent. Let's navigate to the My Tasks tab to see our certification assignment. In the Tasks table, we can see the assignment to fill out the certification. Click the link. Here's our first look at a custom certification form. It includes instructions, a certification statement, and field for comments. Let's scroll down to see more. Below are required fields to enter your name and title to certify you've read the statement. Let's fill these out now. We can also see the attachment fields and our new custom field from our template, additional context. Let's practice uploading an attachment by clicking the plus icon. Our first control certification form is complete. Click Submit to send in our responses. Looking back at our certification process, we can see the status has changed to pending approval. Let's log in as Alex Morgan and demonstrate how to approve a certification. As you can see in the top right, we've switched to Alex Morgan to demonstrate approving a certification. The task table now shows the assignment with the role Approver. Click the location link. This is the view of a completed certification from the approver's perspective. The form is read-only, with all inputs locked. Scroll to the bottom to approve or reject the form. You can also enter a comment to provide context to your approval or rejection. Click into the comment field. Now that the comment is entered, click Approve to finalize the certification form. If necessary, it is possible to roll back the approval. Back on the certification listing, you can see the status change to Complete. After all certifications are complete, click Close to prevent any additional edits. Thank you for walking through this demonstration on how to create, launch, and perform custom certification processes. Have a great day.